Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play 1, 2, 3 on the piano. Start by finding middle C, which is often near the piano's center. Place your right thumb on this key. Next, use your index finger for the white key immediately to the right of middle C. Finally, your middle finger will play the third white key in this sequence. This simple hand position is the foundation for playing 1, 2, 3 on the piano. The 1 in our sequence is middle C, a fundamental note. Moving one step to the right, the 2 note is D. Then, the 3 note is E, which is 2 steps above middle C. All 3 notes are played on white keys, making them easy to locate and remember. This forms a simple C major scale fragment. For this exercise, we'll focus on your right hand. Your thumb should gently press middle C, representing 1. Your index finger will then play D, which is 2. Finally, your middle finger will play E or 3. Remember to keep your wrist relaxed and your fingers naturally curved for optimal technique and sound. To master 1, 2, 3, begin by practicing slowly and evenly. Repeat the sequence many times, focusing on a consistent rhythm. Pay close attention to the sound of each note. Once comfortable with your right hand, challenge yourself by trying the same sequence with your left hand, using your 5th, 4th, and 3rd fingers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.